Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis, and I'm bringing you another quick and easy. It's amazing how many crafts we can actually do that are quick and easy. Well, sometimes you don't know what to do with that vellum. It's really pretty, but you don't know what to do. But how about a shaker bookmark? This would be a great gift. You could use it as a topper. It could actually even be your tag if you wanted it to. And give it to teachers or those that love to read books, or you know, whatever you would like to do. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It's very simple. And if you're new, I invite you to say hello and tell me where you're from. I love that. So I already have some vellum here, and I already cut my other one. This is a 8x8 sheet. So I've cut it at 4 inches, and we're just going to score it at 2. We're going to score it in half. So it's going to be a 2x8 inch bookmark. Now you could do this with any papers, but your vellum is going to really show your sequins. So once you score it, give it a good burnish. Just go over it with your scoring tool, or just fold it in half and use your pencil, whatever you have. Now, all we need to do is we need to put some double stick tape around all the edges. Okay, so I've put my 3 sides covered with a 1/8 inch double stick red line tape. This side that I folded on, I don't need to add any tape. Now just pull the tape up on 2 sides, the bottom and the long side. All right, so this side and this side will be adhered, and I'm just going over that. Now I need to make a hole in the top for my ribbon, and I've decided to come down to 3/4 of an inch, and since it is 2 inches wide, it needs to be at the 1 inch mark. So I'm just kind of estimating it and putting a little X there, so I know where to punch it out at, and then punch your hole. Now decide what you want to put in to your bookmark. Do you want it to be sequins? That's what I'm going to use, and they're a blue iridescent, so pretty. And I'm just going to put those in there inside my bookmark. You can put as many as you want. So let's see, that's pretty nice. All right, this one popped out, so I'm going to grab it. And then all you need to do, once you've decided how much you want to fill it, is pull your double stick tape off. All right, pull that off, seal it really good, and then put your ribbon in. My ribbon right here. And I'm just going to tie my ribbon rather than put it through with a loop. Quick and easy way to make a cute shaker bookmark. Now I will say, I did see Sara Davies do something similar to this, and she said people ask what can they do with their vellum, and this is a great idea. So I did want to say I saw her do it on Instagram really quick. So this is actually vellum from the Winter Sparkle collection. So it's printed vellum. It's really, really pretty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy project. And if you would like more quick and easy projects, just post down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.